Seth Blomert. In the following row, that is Danny Deutsch in the 23 next to him. That is that Ford Thunderbird. And in the last row is the 12 car back there of Jeremy Floyd. They come. Green flag, and we're racing. That Ford Thunderbird is driven by Mike Lauren, by the way.
Trouble with the 9E.
And he's not going to be able to save it. But Danny didn't touch him, so good driving, Danny. Way to use those brakes.
Yeah, Stephen Emus.
Yeah, yellow flag's out, yellow flag's out. Slow down, look out. I wonder what Stefan was sitting there thinking as they were coming out. Race fans, get ready. We're going back racing this time as David Ballstadt in the 9A car is going to bring them around. Here they come in the raw start collision center restart zone. Green flag, and we're racing.
And Ballstadt will set the pace. Hearn and that 8 machine having a little bit of battle now with Blomart. Watch out for that 290 of Bezel on the outside as he hugged that wall. Oh, we got trouble.
In the back between Jeremy Floyd and that mean-looking 8 Ford Thunderbird of Mike Lauren. Yellow's out as Jeremy Floyd's not able to get that car fired up.
Yeah,
Caution number 2 of the race.
Yeah, he's stuck out there.
Eric, we got 2 laps in. How about that?
Hey, that's true. That's tasty good.
Yeah. As the 9 car is going to bring him around. He is now entering the raw steel collision center restart zone. Here they come, Green flag, we're racing.
And Ballstadt had it around the turn, but he kind of lost a little bit.
As here comes the 28 of Seth Blomert to challenge David for the lead.
Hearn in that 8 machine in the 3rd spot with a couple of 8s and 9s around her.
Cheryl Hearn hanging on to 3rd. The transfer spot is 2. Only the top 2 are going to the feature. Whoa, Hearn and more. Double 8s, double trouble. Actually, Eric, you're not going to believe this. All 3 of the 8 cars are involved in an incident.
Interesting. 8 is enough.
Play the lottery, folks. Pick number 8. We have 3 8s involved in a caution.
8, 8, and 8.
What's 8 times 3? 24. Hey, how about that? All
yep.
right.
8, 8M, and 8L.
Seth Blommer's going to bring him around. David Ballstadt's right there. Who's going on? We've got 12 to go. They're now entering the raw steel collision center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, we're racing. Whoa, the 4th Thunderbird almost went sideways.
Yeah.
It's a dirt track driver, too, Eric.
A couple of 8s almost bounced off each other, but it's the 28 of Seth Blomart out front, followed by the number 9 of David Ballstadt, who's now got some trouble with the 290 of Doyle Puzzle.
Danny Deutsch staying to the outside there. Looks pretty cool coming out of those turns. But it's going to be Blomert in 1st, Ballstadt in 2nd. Doyle Buzzle in 3rd, Buzzell in 3rd. Actually, Danny Deutsch is sitting in 4th according to the scoreboard because the 9 car is down a lap.
Yeah, so the 28 of Blomart on the back stretch out front, the battle in that 2nd and 3rd spot with a couple of 9s, Ballstadt, and the 290 of Doyle Buzzle.
All right, coming around here, we are 7 in. We are at them now past the halfway point for Seth Blomert, bringing him around at the 28, followed by Ballstadt, followed by Doyle Buzzle, because that 9 car is down a lap. Stephen Emmons trying to get back on the lead lap. When he goes around, and he takes Doyle Buzzell with him.
Well, the 9 took out the 290. We'll get a caution here again. Blomart, your current leader. Ballstadt looking like he's in 2nd. The 8M
Michael Moore?
of Michael Moore might be in that 3rd spot.
Shale Hearn.
There's your 8s right there. It's 8, 8, 8 on the board.
5 cars left in this race. I believe we started with 9. We have 5. Here comes Seth in the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Green flag, and we're racing. It's going to be the 28. Here comes the 9A of Ballstead. He's getting challenged by Michael Moore. Whoa, as they make contact. Michael Moore going to try the inside of Ballstead. Here we go. Michael Moore looking to grab that second spot. Remember, number 2 is the transfer, and Michael Moore knows it. So does David Ballstead.
And that's where the battle is. Second and third right now. It's Ballstead over Moore.
Here comes Moore. This is going to be a great finish, I think. Who's going to get that transfer spot? Looks like Ballstead pulled away that time. Coming in, 4 to go for Seth Blommert.
Ballstead with a little bit of a gap over on Moore.
Question is, will Michael Moore be able to make a move and grab second from David Ballstead? Time is winding down. Here we go. 13 in, 2 to go. This time by, race fans.
A little over a quarter-second difference between the second and third.
White flag out this time by for Seth Blommert.
If Moore's going to make a move, it's got to be now.
I don't think he's going to catch him there, Eric. I think it's going to end up just like this. As Seth Blommert's going to take the checkered. Here comes David Ballstead and Michael Moore, followed by Cheryl Hearn. And 5th place will go to another number 8 of Mike Lauren, as the 9A car was not too happy with one of the 8 cars. That was interesting. So the 28 and 9A car both going on to the feature. And now Stephen Emmons can get some help. Maybe a push or will be a tow. Looks like it's going to be a tow.